I'm going to show you how to stir-fry Chinese eggplants with beef in spicy sauce. In this dish, we use half pound of ground beef for 4 people. It is sufficient, it will be nourishing, balanced and very tasty. Start by cutting the eggplants into pieces. You can also use common eggplants. In this recipe, I show you how to substitute some ingredients without changing the taste of the dish too much. Put them in a mixing bowl. Soak them for 5 minutes in water with 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. This prevents oxidation and keeps their beautiful color. Then drain them. Mix them with 1 teaspoon of salt and let them sit for 15 minutes. This helps eliminate some water they contain and keep their shape after cooking. Meanwhile, slice either 2 hot chilies or 2 mini peppers. Chop 4 cloves of garlic. Grate a piece of ginger to get 1 teaspoon. Put it with the chopped garlic. Mince 1 spring onion. Crush 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorns. It brings a certain flavor of citrus and licorice. Prepare 1 tablespoon of gochujang, Korean chili paste. It is rich in umami. You can replace it with 1 tablespoon of chili puree. Also take half tablespoon of miso paste. It will also enrich the dish with umami. You can use fermented soybeans instead. For the seasoning sauce, in a bowl, put 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of black rice vinegar, 1 pinch of salt, half tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of cornstarch. Combine. Add half cup and 1/3 cup of water. Mix again. After 15 minutes, the eggplants have released some water. Gently press them without breaking to remove more water. Mix them with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. The starch layer prevents the eggplant from absorbing oil during cooking. Preheat half an inch of vegetable oil over medium heat. Put a wooden chopstick in it. If small bubbles form around it, it means that the oil is very hot. To maintain the heat, put half of the eggplants. Leave them for 40 seconds. Flip them. Leave another 40 seconds. Then stir for 30 seconds. Remove them. Do the same with the other half. The oil wasn't absorbed by the eggplants. Its level didn't reduce. Remove the oil from the pan, leaving 3 tablespoons. Heat on low heat. Put the miso paste and the gochujang chili paste. Stir for 3 minutes to intensify their flavors and get a nice color. Then add the garlic and grated ginger, the crushed Sichuan peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, and the mini peppers. Stir for 30 seconds. A delicious flavor arises. Then put half pound of ground beef. Turn to medium heat. Stir for 2 minutes. The meat concentrates a lot of flavors. Then add the seasoning sauce. Turn to high heat. Regularly stir for 2 minutes. The sauce has thickened. Add the eggplants. Stir for 40 seconds. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Briefly stir. And turn off the heat. The stir-fry eggplants with beef are ready. Enjoy this dish with jasmine rice. Bon appétit! With this cooking technique, the eggplant is tender but doesn't crush. The pieces keep their shape. The dish is particularly rich in flavor. The non-spicy version goes down very well with everyone, including children. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.